Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link your YouTube channel to Google Ads, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have a YouTube channel and a Google Ads account using the same Google account, or ensure both accounts are properly verified for linking. Step 2. Open Google Ads. Go to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google Ads account credentials. Make sure you have admin access to the account you want to link. Step 3. Navigate to linked accounts. In Google Ads, click on the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner. Under Setup, select Linked Accounts. Step 4. Select YouTube. From the list of available platforms, click YouTube to start the linking process. Step 5. Choose your YouTube channel. Click the plus button to add a new channel. You'll be prompted to select the YouTube channel you want to link from the list of channels you manage or are logged into. Step 6. Grant permissions. Authorize Google Ads to access your YouTube channel data, including metrics for views, engagement, and ad performance. Confirm the permissions to complete the connection. Step 7. Verify and start campaigns. After linking, your YouTube channel will appear under linked accounts. You can now run video ad campaigns, track engagement, and use your YouTube metrics directly in Google Ads. Your YouTube channel is now successfully linked to Google Ads, allowing you to optimize your ad campaigns and reach your audience more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more digital marketing tutorials and step-by-step guides.